Ngimisa Ithemba Lami uNkulunkulu, namhlanje nginikela uthando lwami kuwe. In front of God, family, and everyone we love. Siphephile, siphephile, I'll promise I choose you today. Not only with my words, but with my life. Ngithi kuwe, sithandwa sami, ngizokuthanda ngeqiniso, ngizokuqina ngenhliziyo, ngizigcine, ngizokugcina. Ngizokugcina. Sithandwa uNkulunkulu siphambile. Writes our story in grace and light. uNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu, Ngimisa Ithemba Lami, uNkulunkulu, Ngimisa uthando lwami kuwe, sithandwa. Ngiyazi sizophila, sizokhula, siphephile, because God is the center of our love. Siphephile, siphephile. Nothando lwakhe, today I become yours and you become mine. Ngiyavuma phambi kukaThixo to walk with you through joy, through storms, to stand with you always, always, always. Every step we take from here is blessed, guided, protected. Siphephile, siphephile. Ngimisa Ithemba Lami, uNkulunkulu, ngimisa impilo yami, yami. Sizokwakha ikusasa eliqhakazile, amadla ke ahamba nathi, uthando lwakhe lusiphethe. I vow to love you endlessly, I vow to respect you deeply, I vow to stand beside you in everything life brings. Siyavuma, siyavuma, ngithi kuwe, sithandwa. You are my blessing, you are my forever. Namhlanje sihlangene, tomorrow sikhula, forever sithandana. is our blessing. Ngikhetha wena today and forever.